prevention of accidents caused by electricity. Electricity is sometimes a good servant, but sometimes a bad lord too. Careless use of electricity may cause damages to the property, serious accidents, and sometimes even death. First one, do not use electrical circuits and appliances in places where there is water. Follow protective measures when necessary. Disconnect the electricity supply of the circuit before any maintenance related to electric circuits. Do not cut trees in a manner as to fall on wires. Do not fly kites or toy planes near current wires. Do not spray water towards current wires. Do not fix antennas near current wires. If ladders are used near electric wires, use wooden ladders or ladders made up of non-conductive ladders. If a broken current wire is found on the ground, do not touch it although it is insulating. Inform an adult immediately. Without permission, do not try to get electricity using common electric wires. Do not plug several electric appliances to one socket. Do not drop unprotected electric wires in your premises. Keep electric wires and extension cords out of reach of children. Do not let children to go near electric sockets. Unplug multi-sockets when not in use. Do not let children to use electric appliances. The inspection of adult. Do not touch electric circuits and appliances with wet hand. When using electric irons or other appliances, wear rubber slippers or stand on a rubber doormat. If you notice some unusual nature of an electric appliance or a circuit, call your electricity service provider immediately. Disconnect the main switch in your house during flood. It is compulsory to fix a trip switch to the domestic electric circuit. The damages caused by accidents related to electricity can be prevented by the automatic function of this switch. Electric shock. Test safety switches each year. Never touch a down power line or climb a utility pole.